In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see completed tasks in Asana and set a default view. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to the official Asana website. Once you're there, look for the Login button, which is usually at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on that, and you'll see a few options to authenticate yourself. You can choose your preferred sign-in method, whether it's via email, Google account, or another means. Go ahead and enter your credentials to access your workspace securely. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your account dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new. Your next step is to locate the specific project that you want to review. You can typically find your projects displayed on the left sidebar. Just click on the project name you're interested in. Once you're in your chosen project, look towards the top of the interface for the filter button. It's usually represented by a funnel icon or simply labeled as filter. When you click it, a menu will pop up with various sorting options. This is where the magic happens. Among the options, you'll want to select the completed tasks filter. Click on that, and just like that, Asana will showcase all the finished work items related to that project. It's a quick and efficient way to see what's been accomplished without sifting through everything manually. Now you might be wondering, how can I make this view stick? Well, there's a simple solution for that too. After you've selected the completed tasks filter, look for the Save View button. It's typically located near the same area where you found the filter options. Clicking on that will save your current filter settings as your permanent project display. This means that every time you reopen this specific project, you won't have to repeat the filtering process. To make sure everything's working as planned, you can take a quick moment to check your results. Navigate away from the project and then return to it. If you see completed tasks already visible, congratulations! You've successfully set your default view in Asana. That little tweak can save you heaps of time in the long run. You won't have to keep adjusting your view every time. And there you have it. You're all set to see completed tasks and streamline your workflow in Asana. It's a fantastic tool for managing projects, and knowing how to personalize your view can truly enhance your productivity. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks.